Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add personalization tags in System.io emails quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, move your mouse over emails in the top menu and open the campaign or newsletter where you want to edit your email. Now open the email you want to personalize. Inside the email editor, click where you want to insert the personalization tag, for example in the subject line or inside the email body. System.io lets you add dynamic fields like the subscriber's first name, last name, or email address so each email feels more personal. Look for the personalization option or merge tag option inside the editor. Then choose the tag you want to insert, such as first name. System.io will add the personalization tag into your email. For example, your email could say something like, "Hey, contact_first name." When the email is sent, System.io will automatically replace that tag with each subscriber's actual information. You can use personalization tags in your subject lines, greetings, and email content to make your messages feel more relevant and increase engagement. Before sending the email, make sure your contacts actually have the information you want to personalize, especially first names. Otherwise, the personalization may appear blank for some subscribers. Once you're done, save your email and continue with your campaign or newsletter setup. That's it. You've successfully added personalization tags in System.io emails, and if you're planning to use System.io, check out my recommended link in the description below. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 High-Converting Email Subject Lines for Affiliate Marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick get response tutorials.